Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Janet Broughton and this is Janet Teaches DRU Yoga. Now for today, just for a little change, I wanted to offer you an invitation. And the invitation is to come to a complimentary workshop on Wednesday the 28th of April 2021. It's presently Monday the 26th. And this complimentary workshop is an introduction to the creation I have come from, the passion I have and the skills I've gained over the last 15 years. And out of that, I have created the 60-day positive thinking program. And this program encompasses, as I said, all the skills I have learned and what it's enabling you to do, because we all have, to a lesser or greater extent, is those only ever happens to me. Oh, it would happen to me, wouldn't it? You have all that negativity, that doubt, all those little voices in your head going, won't work, never works for you. You're no good at this. Those thoughts. Or you literally see the glass as half empty and not half full. I know, even when somebody says something to you that feels really good, you'll immediately see the negative. It's like if people are conscious perhaps about their size or how they look, even if there's absolutely nothing wrong with them, they're seeing it. And you hear somebody say, wow, you look fantastic. You're not believing them. You're going, yeah, you're just saying that to be nice. You're really not believing it. And, you know, somebody gives a compliment as a gift and they give you that gift willingly. So there are those things, the voice, and then there's that, the pit in the stomach where you think, no, it's going to go wrong. Doesn't feel right. Oh, what if? So if you're struggling like that, then what the 60-day positive thinking program gives you is a way to remove the negativity. It's not just, and you could all say it to each other. You don't need a coach to say it. Oh, you just need to think positively. It's not going to help, is it? We all know it. Doing it's a different thing, and somebody just telling you to do it, not going to make any difference. What I'm giving you is techniques to enable you to get rid of those negative thoughts and to move into the positive. I will get you there. This isn't just about chatting and saying being positive. This is giving you actual skills. And the link to Janet Teaches DRU Yoga, that it's quite special, this program, because it will include some yoga one-to-one with me, and you'll get the recording. So that's just a small part of it. So I'm bringing the many skills, because I am a coach and I have been a coach qualified for 15 years. So I'm bringing all those skills with many others that allow you to move forward, to feel the benefit of seeing the glass half full. I'm not having those chattering voices in your head, but hearing positive. Great, I did that. Well done, me. And just to feel that sense of calm. So if that's what you're looking for, then do join me. As I say, Wednesday night, I shall go into some other techniques, some demonstrations, and it's at 7 o'clock UK time. You can join me from anywhere in the world, and till 8:30. So if you'd like to come, then you can contact me on Janet Broughton at thepositivethinkingcoach.com. And I will put that in the information below this video. So thinking positively, I know you're all going to join me. Take care. Namaste.